Trader Dan Deming of Stutland Equities joins us now for some chart talk. Good morning, Dan.
Morning, Angie.
They have been buying this market going into the Fed announcement today. What does that tell you?
Well, yeah, certainly right now the expectations in the marketplace are such that the Fed possibly might taper just a little bit, kind of maybe test the waters ever so slightly. But by and large, the expectations in the marketplace, and I think that, the consensus is that as long as that's the case, that the market can continue to go higher here.
All right, so what do you think will happen after the announcement? Is the market more likely to sell off immediately?
Oh, I don't know about that, Angie. I mean, certainly, buy the rumor, sell the news is typical kind of jargon down here on the floor, and it does kind of have a tendency to kind of come to fruition more often than not. I mean, you're seeing the S&P reclaim 1,700. We saw the Russell actually outperform the market yesterday, where we saw the small caps up now at new record highs, trading around that 1066 area. So overall, you're still seeing some pretty good strength across the, basically from the large caps to the small caps. The thing is that there is some serious resistance up there. And again, the one thing that we like to watch as far as the market leader, the financials have not confirmed this most recent run-up. But by and large, right now, you'd have to be, pretty happy about the fact that the market's been able to kind of maintain these high end of the range as we roll into what could be a shift in Fed policy.
There is some resilience there to this market.
There is right now. You're certainly right, Angie. And like I said, the expectations are that the market's going to be able to handle it. We'll have to see how much of that is priced into the market tomorrow. And I think that's really the key here as we get that announcement. Is the market, like you said, going to sell off on the news or not? I mean, right now, you'd have to say there's a pretty good resistance up above. So unless there's some real momentum underneath there, you're probably going to get a little hesitation.
Good to have you on the show, Dan. Thank you.
Thanks, Angie.